all, welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. In today's video, we will see some lovely collections of function wear sarees, very beautiful Banarasi weave function wear sarees. All going to be really class designs and very pretty designs. And all the sarees are going to be below 2000. Very lovely collections. Before seeing the sarees, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. To purchase the saree, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848 51299. I repeat, it's 93848 51299. And regarding the maintenance of these sarees, all the sarees are simple hand wash. You don't need to do anything for these sarees. It's simple hand wash is enough. And lots of you were asking whether the store is open now. Yes, we are open from today. So you can visit our showroom also. The store is open. And but as of now, it's better we do an online shopping. Stay home, stay safe. Come on, let's start seeing the sarees now. And a beautiful Kota silk saree, tissue mix again. There will be slight shine. Both the sides a small border. You can have a closer look of the texture of the material, so that you could make a design. It's a you have a golden small checks tissue checks inside the saree, and a very pretty motif. An antique zari motif running throughout the body. Lovely design. All copper zaris, antique zaris. Looks really class. These saris look so rich. And this is the pallu of the sari. And the blouse of the sari is this. Very beautiful blouse, brocade blouse. And the price of the sari is 1730. This is a very pretty Kota silk sari. Beautiful Kota with tissue mix, so there will be slight shine in the body of the sari. Both the sides we have a contrast pink color border with antique zari, and throughout the body we have a beautiful meenakari work done throughout the body in beautiful pattern. You have a lovely motif running along the body of the sari, and this is the pallu of the sari, a rich pallu with tassels. And a very beautiful brocade blouse. Beautiful brocade blouse. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 1730. This is a beautiful Chanderi silk sari, a soft material, very beautiful one. In that we have zari border on both the sides of the sari, and throughout the body we have a beautiful butta running along the body of the sari. Lovely design. These saris are slightly transparent, but when you pleat it, it will not be. And this is the pallu of the sari with tassels. This is the pallu with tassels, and a very beautiful contrast blouse in brocade in green color. Lovely pair. And the price of this sari is 880. This is in the same pattern, sandal color, slightly dark sandal color. Looks really class, and you have buttas throughout the body. Very beautiful sari. And in the corner of the pallu you have tassels, and this saree is paired up with a beautiful brocade blouse, and the price of this saree is 880. We have some lovely color combination in the same pattern. The next is going to be a beautiful orange. Yes, this is the body of the saree. Beautiful lovely orange with butta. And for this, the blouse is contrast green color, brocade blouse in green. The next combination is going to be in pink, dark pink, Rani pink. Looks really pretty, very beautiful shade. And for this, the blouse is in contrast green color. It's all brocade blouses, in green, and the price of this sari is 880. The next combination is a light fawn shade, lighter off-white, more of a light fawn shade, very tussar color exactly to say, beautiful tussar color, paired up with a red color blouse, beautiful shade, very pretty sari. The next color in the same pattern is going to be a lovely green, mehendi green, a subtle shade. Beautiful, it looks really rich sari, when you wear it, it will be so rich. You have those zari buttas running throughout the body of the sari, and this is paired up with a red color brocade blouse. So this is the blouse, red color brocade blouse, and the price of this sari is 880. This is again a beautiful golden tissue sari, very beautiful one. Antique zaris in this. Both the sides we have a contrast pink border, and throughout the body in the tissue we have a beautiful antique design running along the body of the sari, a geometric pattern. The zari is completely an antique design. Looks really class, these designs are. And this is the pallu of the sari, and the blouse of the sari is this, a contrast blouse, beautiful contrast blouse in jacquard, and the price of the sari is 1430. This is a beautiful Banarasi tissue sari. We have a contrast red color border on both the sides with antique zari. You can have a closer look of the border and the body. You have a slight shine in the body also, and the body is completely a copper weave, and the body border is an antique zari border. So you just have a closer look so that you could just make the feel of the sari. Very pretty, lovely saris. The body is so beautiful, very pretty. Like, look at the fall of the sari, how beautiful it is. Like, when if you pleat it, it will just stick to you. It will be really fine material, beautiful ones. And this is the pallu of the sari, beautiful pallu, and the very cute, nice contrast blouse in jacquard, and the price of the sari is 1430. This is again a beautiful Chanderi tissue sari, Banarasi weave, both the sides contrast pink border, a very beautiful one. You can have a closer look of the border. It's with a golden zari, and inside that you have a small silver zari also in the border. Looks really pretty, very pretty one. And the body is completely a copper antique zari weaving, very beautiful one. Even though it's tissue, it's not too shiny. It will be subtle when you wear, like, it has more of a class look. And this is the pallu of the sari, and the blouse of the sari is this, a jacquard blouse, and the price of the sari is 1430. This is a beautiful tissue sari again in light pink color. Both the sides we have a golden border, and throughout the body we have a beautiful golden zari weaving throughout the sari. You can have a closer look of the texture and the design. It's a very beautiful design running along the body of the sari, very class sari. And this is the pallu of the sari with tassels, and the blouse of the sari is a very different blouse. You'll have lines over in the blouse, very pretty one. And the price of the sari is 1730. We have some lovely color combinations in this. I'll show you the other colors also. The next is going to be a beautiful sandal, beautiful sandal color, very pretty design, lovely color, beautiful sari, and the price of the sari is 1700. All the saris same design as the pink. I'm just showing you the colors. So this is the body. This is more of a light grey, the same material tissue, so there will be slight shine. Very pretty design. And this is the pallu of the sari, and again the blouse is in, this is the blouse design, beautiful design, and the price of the sari is 1700. The next color is going to be green, light green. All the colors in this pattern looks really pretty, light green, very pretty shade, and the shine gives a very rich look for these saris. And this is the pallu, beautiful one, and the blouse of the sari is this, and the price of the sari is 1700. And the last one is a golden shade in the tissue material. Looks really pretty and class. For any function, these saris will look really grand, very grand. And this is the pallu of the sari, and the blouse of the sari is this, and the price of the sari is 1700. This is again a beautiful off-white with pink color combination contrast Chanderi sari in that completely thread weave. You can have a closer look of the border. It's a copper thread with the antique thread with the meenakari work in pink. Beautiful design, and throughout the body we have a beautiful design running along the body. Very pretty design. It's all completely thread weave. And this is the pallu of the sari, and you have a beautiful brocade blouse. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 1270. In the same Chanderi pattern, thread weave design, this is another design. You can have a closer look of the design. It's a peacock pattern, a very beautiful design, and the borders are all completely thread weave. It's more of an antique thread color. Very beautiful subtle design. And this is the pallu of the sari. Again, the blouse is going to be in a beautiful brocade blouse, and the price of this sari is 1270. We have one more beautiful design in the same pattern. It was a peacock design, and this is slightly more of a geometric design. A beautiful pattern. You can have a closer look how the design is. It's all Chanderi material. Very pretty designs. Lovely pattern. The body will look really pretty when you wear. Very elegant sari this is going to be. And this is the pallu of the sari, and the blouse of the sari is this in brocade, and the price of the sari is 1270. This is again a beautiful Chanderi linen silk sari. You will have a slab design inside the sari, both the sides silver zari border, piping border, and throughout the body we have a beautiful silver zari butta running along the body. You can even have a closer look of the material. Very pretty sari. Like, you'll have small lines, that's called slab lines. Very pretty one. I try to explain about the material as much as possible when I'm showing you the sari. These saris again will be slightly transparent, but when you pleat it, it's going to be really fine. All the Chanderi materials will be like that. Very pretty design. And this is the pallu of the sari in contrast violet color, and a very beautiful blouse in violet, and the price of the sari is 1050. We have some lovely combinations in this. I'll show you the other combinations. The next is going to be a beautiful red, lovely red. Yeah, this is the body of the sari. This is more of a pinkish red than too brighter red. It's more of a pinkish red. And this is the pallu of the sari, a beautiful pallu with a contrast blouse in violet again, and the price of the sari is 1050. The next combo is green with pink. So this is the body of the sari, beautiful green with pink. The body is in green with beautiful silver buttas, and this is the pallu of the sari in pink, and the blouse again in contrast pink. All brocade blouses. This is the blouse. The next combo in the same is going to be a lovely black, very pretty black, beautiful shade. So this is the body of the sari, and the pallu is again in pink. Again, the blouse is going to be in pink. This is the blouse of the sari in pink. The next combination is a very pretty navy blue with navy blue, lovely shade, navy blue with pink combo, and the blouse is again in pink. All brocade blouses, and the price of this sari is 1050. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sure you would have liked the lovely collections. Such beautiful designs, and what a kind of weaving the weavers have done it. To purchase these sarees, take a screenshot and send us to the number 938485129. I repeat, it's 938485129. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.